How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Well, I'm putting the instrument cluster back in the dart. I changed the bulbs to LED. I didn't change anything else. And I had one bulb that worked. So, apparently, the polarity matters in a LED bulb. So right now, Jason's actually fishing underneath the dash here. To fish one of the bulbs out, we're going to flip it around and see if that actually works. So before, all I had was the flashers on the left side, and I had nothing else. So Jason went under there and he swapped, just took the socket out, turned it around, turned it back in, and now we have the right. So yes, with an LED, polarity matters. So now I gotta figure out if I can get, if I have to pull the instrument cluster back.
What are the chances out of 8 bulbs that you got one right?
Apparently pretty good. So now we're gonna see if we can pull the sockets out somehow, or pull the cluster out. So. Alright, so there is the cluster with LEDs. Significant difference. I redid that needle. I did the fuel needle. And I think I did the temp needle. It looks pretty good. Now there's... Well, now it's not doing it now. Yeah, that's all good. This is the 4-ways. Significantly brighter. The dimmer, I need to put a dimmer switch in it, so that one's working. But everything is working. So I'll show you what I bought. I got them over on the bench. Why did I look right at the light? So this is what I bought off of Amazon. Whole pack full of them. And this is what they look like in the socket. And like I said, the polarity does have to be correct. So it was kind of a, when Jason was in there, it was kind of a, what's that?
It didn't work.
Yeah, it didn't work. So it was a process of elimination. There we go. That's what I wanted to say. To figure out which ones were and were not working. Probably would have been best to bench test this, but I think I paid like $10 for this whole pack. Like I said, it was off of Amazon. I could put a link down there. I could be wrong on the price, but anyway. So I just have to put the dash back together, put the column back up, and verify everything works again once everything is screwed and glued back together, and should be ready to roll. So on to the next thing. Talk to you later. Have a good one. Like, share, subscribe. Bye-bye.